Hello everyone, I'm going to take you through the process how to join new VAT Deferral Payment Scheme 2021 where you can pay your VAT until March 2022 by setting up the installment with your business bank account. So the step 1 is the link is given here. It's www.gov.uk guidance deferral of VAT payments due to coronavirus COVID-19. So once you click on this link on your browser, the page you will see, you just have to scroll down and click on join the scheme now. Once you click on this tab, on the next screen, HMRC will ask you to enter your government gateway. So if your agent is dealing with your VAT affairs, they are not allowed to join the scheme. So first of all, you need to join by yourself. And if you don't have the government gateway already, you can create one on the same page. So you just need to click on create sign-in details. If you already have one for VAT, you can just enter the government gateway ID and password here. So when you click on create sign-in details, on the next screen, HMRC will ask you to confirm your email address. So you can give your preferred email address here and make sure you have the access to that email address because you will shortly receive a code. So on the next screen, once you enter the email address, you will get a code here, which you can enter as a confirmation code. Here you will see the email address has been confirmed and you just need to click on continue. On the next question, HMRC will ask you what's your full name. So you can type your name here. Create your own password, which should be 10 or more characters and can be mix of numbers and symbols. HMRC will ask you to set up a recovery word for your sign-in details, just in case if you forget your password. So you can do that here. You can set up a recovery word, which can be easily memorable. Once you have that, you will get your government gateway user ID, which will be also emailed to your email address. So you can make a note of this just in case. On the next screen, HMRC will ask you to confirm whether you are registered for VAT as an individual organization. So we are just ignoring the agent part here because agent can't no longer enroll you for the new deferred VAT scheme. So we are just considering two options, individual or organization. So if your company is a limited company, you can just select organization here. And if you are just on individual basis, you can select accordingly. Once you do that, on the next screen, you need to write the VAT registration number of your business. So it's always handy to have two documents ready. One is your VAT registration certificate and second, your last submitted VAT return, because shortly they will ask you for your last VAT submitted figure. So if you have your VAT registration handy number, I mean your VAT registration certificate and your last VAT submitted VAT, that will be useful. So you enter your VAT registration number here without any space. On the next screen, HMRC will ask you what is the postcode where your business is registered. So this is a bit tricky because sometimes you change your addresses or you register your business on your agent's name. So make sure you are using the postcode which is mentioned on the VAT certificate. So once you enter the postcode, they will match the data. And on the next screen, HMRC asks you what is your latest VAT return total. So make sure you are just writing the number of box 5 here. So you just need to write the box 5 figure. An example is given here with decimal. So if your last submitted VAT return was December 2020, you need to pick up the December 2020 return and then just write the box 5 figure here. Next one, select the month when your last VAT return was submitted. So for example, you have submitted December VAT return, so the answer will be December, and it's not when you submitted. So the last VAT return is your last quarter end, so which is either December or September. So it's not like when you submitted. The last return submitted is your last quarter. So for example, we are now working on the March quarter. So this is, for example, December. So that's the answer. Next one is your VAT registration date. So again, you can find this information on your VAT certificate. So once you have the VAT registration date mentioned, on the next screen, HMRC will, obviously I don't have that information because I'm not using any real data. So HMRC will confirm and you will see your business name and everything on the screen, and there you can start deferring your VAT return by clicking on how many installments you would like to pay, and then you just need to select the bank account, which bank account you will set up the direct debit, and you are nearly done. Thank you for watching.